Hello everybody, this is John Wright with Keller Williams Premier Properties. Normally I stand in front of my newest listing, but today I'm standing in back because look at this gorgeous view of this pond and this walking and jogging trail. The address is 217 Lakeshore in Bloomingdale. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome will be coming on the market here shortly for $324,900. There is nothing currently on the market in this subdivision. The only reason why the owners are selling is because family moved out and you cannot rent. So no investors allowed on this one. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome at 217 Lakeshore in Bloomingdale. $324,900 coming soon to the market. It has a balcony, it has a deck. The deck is grandfathered in. It has 2 wood-burning fireplaces. It's going to be absolutely spectacular. An enormous master bedroom. Give me a call at 773-733-1888 to see it.